Jay. What you do? What is it do?
Tell us what I do. I'm not do it. I'm not get married.
Jesus Christ. Jay, please, I beg you, don't do this.
So now that me do Gladstone, I'm not do it.
No. I mean, please do it.
You're like a Chinese church mother. She take me a kuno.
Jay, please. It's not about her.
Yes!
It's about us.
No, it's not about we, it's about she. So here what? See just over there, so? Go and go married to she.
Jay, I know this pressure, but
But what? But nothing. Do man change the venue from the nice place to a church? And then on top of that, she turn it in a private wedding? She ain't your church mother. She a God.
Jay, just look on the brighter side of things. She flying a pastor from overseas, to officiate her wedding. And not even that, she paid for an all-inclusive hotel for it.
Me no care. That's that she already ruined me special day.
But Jay, it's not like we even need a big wedding. Remember in a whole people that come on the wedding, And if you try to include the church people, remember them people are hypocrite.
You realize they want to set them on the stage? Oh, that look. And that me forget married,
But Jay, it not go look no way. We have placed too much emphasis on tradition, We can at least change it up a little bit.
But I know when you change it up. Are you church mama?
You don't have to be disrespectful,
She respect me? She not respect me. From before me meet the woman, me feel it. Furthermore, I not even know how she did go through with the wedding.
So because certain things not in place where you want to be in place, that means someone will get married?
Me never said that. But me not comfortable, so me have it out. Plus, King for me giveaway father, me nah get him. And I him me really want to bring me down the aisle. Not Carlton.
So you would plan to make Carlton walk it down the aisle?
When me did want my dress, him come through for me. Where did they? Me did call the phone and me never get you. And yes, him a go do it. You have a better idea?
No.
I thought so.
So, hold on. That means that Stone Face and the rest of man, I'm going to see them at the wedding today. I know we need to get married, right? When I see at the venue.
You know why I'm going to do this? Because I'm not make this change.
So, only that?
No.
So, what else?
I'm going to finally want to call him house.
Babe, look. We'll get through this, okay? And one day, we'll just sit back, look at it, and laugh. Alright?
Yeah. Plus, you for one.
Wait a
You shouldn't
minute.
even day here. You know, say it's bad luck to see the bride before the wedding.
Oh yeah, crap. Alright, come on, from good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Love you.
Love you too. So